Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video I am going to show you if you found any kind of issues while updating your Windows and it is not actually updating correctly, then in that case you need to run Windows inbuilt troubleshooter. To go into that troubleshooter, click on your start menu, go to settings, look for system and then scroll down. Here you will see one troubleshoot button here. Click on that, then you will arrive into this troubleshoot page. Here you will find this other troubleshooter option. Click on this one, and from the most frequent view you will see we have a troubleshooter especially for Windows update issues. Run this once. Click on run. Now it will start detecting the problems, and if there is any problem in the system it will be shown here. So the troubleshooter have made some changes to the system and it is asking to something was detected as problem, and let's see if it has fixed our problem. So what we will do, we will go to Windows Update and then run and check this Windows Update here. If we don't see any problem, then that means our problem is fixed. So yes, so the problem is fixed now, so I am going to click yes and close the troubleshooter. So in this way we can find any issues that is coming up while doing Windows Update. So this was guys about this topic. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.